What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Viana's Beauty. Viana's Beauty. Yes! I'm so excited today. Do you know why? Hey, before I get into why I'm excited today, if you are new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related, from makeup, like you can see on me, right? Fitness, beauty, hairstyle, lifestyle, in fact anything that will make you feel confident and beautiful. We'll talk about it in this channel. And if I haven't touched on your topic, girl, feel free to leave it on the comment section below and I'm gonna get to it. Definitely, eventually I will get to it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and support your girl by clicking on that red button and make sure to click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post. I mean whenever I post. And talking about posting, girl, hey, if you are a small YouTuber with 1K subscribers and you have sent a packet from a company, does it now mean you have blown on YouTuber? Hey, my subscribers, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. I know don't leave me is out of fashion, but I just need to do it because this beauty company sent me a product. And you know, if you've been following my makeup tutorials on this channel, I've been please use my link to buy the Qing beauty product and all that. So I bought a Zodiac palette from this company and I've been creating a lot of looks with this palette. Whenever I create a look, I'll send to them. Actually, I'll send just 2 of my created looks to this company. The company is Qing Beauty. Please, if you haven't heard of Qing Beauty, please go ahead and check on them. They are just like an affordable beauty company that produce eyelashes, eyeshadows and everything beauty related. The difference is that they are very affordable, which is why your girl got so much money to be spending on those expensive kind of eyeshadow palettes. Eventually I will be spending on that, okay? But now I'm respecting my level. I'm a new YouTuber. I don't have that much money, so I'm just trying to be at my level, and you should do same too. So I bought this first palette from them and I've been talking a lot about them. Eventually they sent me a referral link, an affiliate link, that's for anyone who buys using my link, they'll send me a percentage of the money. So girl, if you haven't ordered the Zodiac palette, please, I'll leave the link in the comment section. Go and order so that you give me a little bit of money. You know what I mean, right? So after seeing my looks, they decided to send me a palette. Jesus Christ. I was like, when they said, we'll be sending you this palette to do a review, and I was shocked. I was like, is it me? I'm not even good at makeup. Like, you know that kind of when self-esteem start coming in, right? So I was just like, okay. So say send your address. I sent, and I cannot even believe that the package arrived 2 days ago. So without further ado, I'm gonna unbox the palette they sent to me and we'll see what's inside, how it looks like. So don't go nowhere, watch till the end, because very soon they'll start sending you products. If you're a small YouTuber, doesn't mean I'll make it on YouTube. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't. This is how it looks. This is not how it came. I already took it out of the original packet because I didn't have the idea of unboxing it on camera, but when I took it out of the packet, I realized that I have to share this good news with you. And unfortunately, my husband has already wrapped the packet to the bin. So I'll just do this unboxing right here. And this is how it came out of the box. Let's see what it looks big, right? It looks big. Let's see which of the palettes was sent to me, because I already have the Zodiac palette. And I was thinking the Zodiac palette is the biggest of the Qing Beauty eyeshadow palettes, but this one looks pretty big. You know, the Zodiac palette has 99 colors. Yeah, that's kind of like the biggest eyeshadow I've ever made. So for those who do a lot of crazy makeup looks, it's a very good palette for you to experiment because it has almost all colors. People like Missy Larry, she's very good with colorful looks. the Zodiac palette will be ideal for you. But before I keep praising the Zodiac palette, let me see what it says in this one. And if you believe in the spirit of tapping, I want you to be tapping, because for all my small YouTubers, especially if you're in this niche or no matter your niche, just keep going, girl, because I believe this is only the starting point. Qing Beauty, thank you so much for this. Like, you are the first company to send me a free product. You are the first, and I know you won't be the last. So if you have a company and you're listening to me, please start sending me products. Oh my god, the love I have for YouTube. Wow, guys, it's a lot of unboxing to do. You see, they have this thing to protect the palette so that it should not get squashed, even though it still looks like it got squashed. But this is just to protect the palette. Let's see what's in here. I pray that my excitement is not for nothing. Can you pray for me? Fingers crossed. Everybody cross your fingers. Okay. Oh my god, it's so big, like. Okay. Oh my god. With the coronavirus, I think it took a longer time to come, and it looks kind of. Do you see the notes? Let me show you guys. Oh my camera, I'm using a front camera, unfortunately, but it says, thank you, they're thanking me for creating so many looks with the Zodiac palette. This is how it looks. I think it got squashed because it's not looking straight, but however, so the palette is exotic palette. My ring light is making it difficult to read, but it's the exotic palette. Now let's find out what's in here, the colors and all that. I've been eyeing this exotic palette, but after buying the Zodiac palette, I was just like, I don't have any more money to spend on the Qing Beauty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Please let me know what you think. Can you just type down, if you watch to this level, type down there, congratulations. It's not easy. Excuse me, it's not easy with product for a company to send you a free product. It's not. How does this work, guys? I don't know. Don't mind your Pakoro girl. I don't know how it works. Wait. Okay, I figured it out. So I just have to push it out like this and take this out. Thank you guys so much for doing this with me. Please watch till the end. So this is the exotic palette. I would have liked to do a one-time review, but as you can see, I'm already made up, and I used the exotic palette to do this makeup. No, I'm already falling in love with the exotic palette, not the exotic palette. I used the Zodiac palette to create this look. So girl, go get yourself the Zodiac palette. Now let's open it up and see the surprise. Wow! Wow, I feel like crying, guys. I feel like crying. Like, can you see that? Oh my god. Oh my god, Miss Larry can just die for this palette. Oh my god. Should I? Okay, here are the names of the part. Okay, please don't mind me, I'm just all over the place. Like, I feel like crying, but should I cry and ruin my makeup? Maybe if I make this video more emotional, I'll get more views, right? No, it's not all about views. It's just for you to share my happy moments with me. So I'll do swatches on my arm since I'm not gonna be doing the makeup. So the palette has glitters, shimmers. This last layer here that glitters, the second shimmer, and this one, the third, it has some shimmer and some matte colors and some matte eyeshadows. And then I think this one there's no layer of complete matte, but it has glitters, matte, and shimmer eyeshadows. It doesn't have the metallic, but the colors are pretty cool, right? Just look at how massive these colors are. I think it has a total of 88 colors. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see, but it has a total of 88 colors in this palette. Like, man, there's a lot you can create with this palette. So for the shimmer colors, they have for the glitter colors, they have the colors Ocean, Fantasy, Lime, Night Witch. Let me just go ahead and do the swatches. To start with the matte colors, I know matte colors that are usually very difficult to get pigmented. You have to apply a number of them. So I don't have any primer eyeshadow base on my hand. I'll start with the matte colors. Can you see me taking that? So here's the matte. Oh my god, it's pigmented. It's pigmented, right? I don't have no eyeshadow base. Can you see that? Let me take the green color. Now I'll change fingers so that the color should not intermix. This one is not very pigmented. Okay, so that's it for the matte. I'm gonna try the shimmer. I'll just I'll get something to clean my hands, please, so that I should not intermix the colors, since I have just 5 fingers. Please guys, watch this video till the end. Let's find out how this works. So I'll try the shimmer, starting with the Ocean. No, it's a glitter. Woo! Can you see that? Let me try another color for the shimmer. This is what I'm taking. The color is Player. Hi! I'm gonna try this. This purple would definitely be my next look. Can you see? Look at my finger. Can you see how pigmented that is? Please, go get yourself the Zodiac cup. No, not Zodiac. Why am I so much in love with the Zodiac palette? Exotic Pop. That's the name of the eyeshadow. Exotic Pop. Your girl was sent an Exotic Pop palette. Hey! Who says I haven't made it on YouTube? I have made it on YouTube. If you think I'm still struggling with 1K, sit there while I'm receiving free products. Oh, this video has already taken so much time. Where did the time go to? Anyway, I had to end here, but I'll be coming back with a makeup tutorial, and I bet you it will not be anything I have done before. It's gonna be a poppy, like its name says, Exotic Pop. I'm gonna make a very poppy look. Let me not talk much. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because Vienna's Beauty is all about beauty. It's all about receiving free products. So all the companies keep calling. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun unboxing my free product with you. Thank you so much, Qing Beauty. I promise I'll do justice with this palette, and I'll keep sending you more looks. I love you so much. Please subscribe and keep supporting me. Thank you for watching. Bye.